Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my experience of growing methi or fenugreek leaves at home. Let's get started. First, let's take any reusable pot like how I have taken. These are vegetable or fruits. If you buy in the market, you get this type of pots. I have filled it with mud or dirt. Miracle Grow mud I have used, which is well drained soil, in which I have just filled the dirt up to the top, almost 3/4. In that I have added all the seeds, fenugreek seeds. I used 2 handful fenugreek seeds. After layering all the seeds, just very feather light, you have to add the dirt again. Do not forget to make holes at the bottom for the water to drain. Now I am sprinkling water so that it will get some moisture and the seeds will be nicely sprouting. Any point of time, don't keep the pot in sunlight. Have to water these pots every day twice, morning and evening. Now what I am doing is I have just taken a towel tissue. If you don't have towel tissue, go with any waste cloth. Just dip it in water and spread it over. I will keep this towel tissue on for 2 days. Third day night I will be removing it. This is third day. You have to sprinkle water every day, morning and evening. We can see nicely all these fenugreeks have sprouted and they will turn into beautiful microgreens. Now I have just watered them. At night I will be removing that paper, towel tissue paper. Then next day morning, it is fourth day, I will just nicely, generously pour water so that all the dirt or the mud will go down. You can see every day I have given alternate days. I have taken a few clips how it grows nice and fast. They are so flavorful that your dish will be nice, giving strong flavor. I am just going to prune it this way itself. I am not going to let it grow more. On 10th day I did my pruning. I sowed seeds in 2 different pots with some interval so that I can prepare various dishes and show to you. That's how after this video you will be having some recipes using this fenugreek leaves. With that I will be preparing 2 dishes. Keep watching. This methi leaves grown at home is much more flavorful than what we buy in the market. Sure, give it a try. You don't need to have too much of time allocated for this to work on. You just have to sow the seeds and leave it aside in any place, even in your living room or anywhere in the dining or garage, and you will be able to harvest fresh methi at home. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.